So guys, here's your more time came out the generative AI, and in today's generative AI video, I'm telling you about in generative AI what the ChatGPT 4. Like in the previous video, I told you about the what the ChatGPT 3.5, and in today's video, I'm telling about the ChatGPT 4. So yeah, I'm telling you about it to see the video start to end, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all your notification bell also so never miss about any future latest videos about the generative AI. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with Loping. Hi, in today's generative AI video, I'm telling you about the ChatGPT 4. So yeah, in generative AI, I'm telling you about the ChatGPT 4. So anyways, and let's talk about in the ChatGPT in generative AI about the ChatGPT 4. So let's talk about it without wasting any time. So let's start. ChatGPT 4 is the latest version of the AI chatbot by OpenAI. Okay, this is very latest version and of AI chatbot by OpenAI. ChatGPT can help boost your productivity if you use correctly. Knowing how to write prompts correctly is the key is helping to use the ChatGPT. I've already told you that in my introduction of generative AI. So, what is ChatGPT 4? Like I have in the previous video of generative AI, I told you about the ChatGPT 3.5. If you don't know what is ChatGPT 4, so let me tell you. ChatGPT 4 is an AI chatbot. Okay, it is some AI chatbot. Who developed it? It developed by OpenAI. Okay, and it launched in April 2023. This is a very latest version of the ChatGPT 4, and it will develop it by OpenAI. And when it will be launched, it launched in April 2023. It is designed to engage in conversations, okay, to engage conversations, and in this version there is very unique things has been came in this version also, okay, and it is designed to engage in convergence, answer questions, and help with various tasks. If you go on ChatGPT and you ask anything, so then it will be good, give you the answer very fastly. Okay. Okay, so it has very in various tasks. Okay, it helps us. ChatGPT 4 is only available for users with OpenAI who had ChatGPT plus subscription. Okay, ChatGPT 4 is paid, okay? You do not use it in free. It is only available for users with OpenAI who have ChatGPT plus subscription, okay? Because in ChatGPT 4 there are many things, many that type of things you will do easily, okay? Like if you want to remove a background from your image, you will remove it during the ChatGPT 4, but not during the ChatGPT 3.5. I am recently using the ChatGPT 3.5. I'm not using the ChatGPT 4 because I do not buy a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Okay. Now, what is the difference? If you don't know what is the difference of ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4, let me tell you what is the difference between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. What is the difference between it? Let me tell you. There are many differences. Like ChatGPT 4 is an improvement over ChatGPT 3.5 in almost every way. Okay. Now here's a table where comparing two versions. Let me tell you features. Training data. ChatGPT 3.5 data period to the June 2021, and in ChatGPT 4 data up to September 2021 with select information and beyond that date. Okay. Now features number of parameters. In the GPT 3.5, there are number of 175 billion number of parameters, but in ChatGPT 4, there are over 1 trillion and number of parameters. Okay. Now, corrections and suggestions features. In the GPT 3.5, it limited corrections and suggestions, but in GPT 4, more corrections and suggestions. Now, features, safeguards. In the GPT 3.5, it has the limited safeguards. Now, in GPT 4, there is an improved safeguards 82% less likely to respond to disallowed the content. But now, features, coherent output. In the GPT 3.5, incoherent suggestions losing threads halfway through. But in GPT 4, more believable and coherent output. Now, context retention limited to 3000 words. Only the limit is in GPT 3.5 is 3000 words, but in the GPT-4 is extended to around of 25,000 words. Okay, so now features responsive speed. In the GPT 3.5 response within the second, but in GPT-4 it takes a minute or more for larger responses. Now code generation 3.5 can write code. Okay, GPT in the GPT 4.5, in the GPT 3.5 it can write code. In GPT 4 superior in TL is understanding and improve code. Now features understanding images. GPT 3.5 primarily text based. GPT 4 it can understand and describe images, make suggestions based on them. Okay, so tell me in the comment section below what is the best for you, ChatGPT 3.5 or ChatGPT 4. I prefer to use the ChatGPT 4, but because in the ChatGPT, in this type of ChatGPT, what I am using, you only write 3000 words, maximum only 3000 words, not or not three above the 3000. Okay, but in ChatGPT 4 you will be write the over the 25,000 words. Okay, if you write a ChatGPT 4, so it is opening GPT-4. It is had a plus here. You can see it is a you give the money then you will be used it. Okay, but in the free will be not used it. Okay, here you can see it. GPT-4. Try GPT. Here you can see it. Try on GPT plus. Here you can see it. GPT-4 is paid. When you say create an image for my presentation, so then it will be start to creating it. Let me show you. Here you can see it is not creating it. Why it is not creating it? Because you do not buy a GPT-4. Okay, you when you buy the GPT-4, then it will be give you the image very fastly and very nicely. Okay, or if you write here like I'm writing here, give me 3000 words, 3000 letters, paragraph. Then when you write it in the when you write it in this ChatGPT, so then it will start to giving you here you can see it. Now you can see it will give me the 3000 letters paragraph. Okay, so till it is giving me, let me tell you some next some more things. ChatGPT, for example, with the following prompt. With the following prompt, the response from ChatGPT 4 could look like this. Okay, from ChatGPT 4, we are using the ChatGPT. Okay, we are using the ChatGPT 4 free version, not data money version. Okay, so let's come on it here. So when you copy it and paste it. So you can see it. Here ChatGPT can make mistake, check and format or format and then copy it, paste. So here you can see it. Now you cannot generate anything. Here you can see it. Over the 3000 words, you will be not generate anything. When I'm erasing things, here you can see it. I'm erasing the things. Here you can see it. Now you will be generated. Here you can see it. You not you not give the ChatGPT free version above the 3000 letters. Okay, but in ChatGPT plus version you will give the 25,000 words. Okay, so now let's write this code. Let's write this in the ChatGPT, and when you write it, so then it will give you. Here you can see it, a binary code puzzle. Here you can see it like this. It is giving you. So like that, it give you the output. So like that, you can do it very easily as using the ChatGPT. So I hope you enjoy this class. In today's video of generative AI, I told you about the ChatGPT 4. And tell me in the comment section below in when our generative AI has been finished. So which course we started, ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3.5? So tell me in the comment section below. So but anyways, so in today's video, I told you about the what is generative AI. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell option and also any future later videos about the generative AI. So now for today, goodbye.